Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna be playing tower. We're gonna be playing in tower, and see if we can escape it. I was wondering. Hello, can you guys hear me? If you guys can't, I'm sorry. If you guys can hear me, make sure you comment down below if you can hear me. But make sure you put a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You know, we're not gonna play a game that I am right now playing. As you can see, it's right there. This is my character. Sorry, I don't have Roblox. Roblox is because I blame you. Just broke. But it's okay. Some people don't have much money, and they don't have stuff that they can't buy or can't buy. It's so foggy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So I just well I'm pretty sure you can't hear me. Oh my gosh, they put it in fog mode. Come on, I don't like fog mode. I don't. Anyways, sorry for the music background. Let's play Sister's music. I'm sorry. Who wants to play Brookhaven? Who wants to play Brookhaven with me? Should I say? I want to say me. So a lot of people are saying who wants to play Brookhaven with me. And should I? I'm gonna have to friend you first. I only have 2 friends. I'm sorry for this noise. I'm gonna play Brookhaven. Bye, y'all. Bye. Night. Oh, it is. It's for night. Anyways, she wanted to go play Brookhaven. She didn't even friend anyone. Are you guys hearing me? I don't hear me, but I'm really sorry. All this. Sorry. Pretty nice. I was doing a lot of stuff. Anyways, I have headphones on, so I don't know if you can hear it or not. It's my first ever video, and I'm right now. Let me see shit. New. I always want to be a YouTuber. I'm right now. I know it won't allow me at the age 8, but it's okay. I got my stuff. But right now, we're gonna be playing this, and I think this one lasts for 15 minutes. I think so, yeah, for 15 minutes. So this will probably be short. And I don't think this will be short. But the next video for the next day, I'll be playing. I can't tell you what I'm gonna be playing because lots of stuff has been happening. But anyways, I'm sorry. Someone. Who's gray? Oh, I thought I found someone gray. I don't know where should I go. Oh wait. This is my character. If you want to go friend me, my name is Cupcake Lily. If you want to friend me, go ahead and try to friend me because we have 2 friends. for some reason, but it's okay. Go ahead and friend me. It's Cupcake Lily, Lily L 2032. So make sure you go friend me because I'm right here. Oh my god, no. Sorry. If you guys can't hear me, I'm sorry about the issue because this stuff is happening and I can't really know if you guys can hear me or not. But if you can hear me, make sure you comment down below. And I hope you will enjoy this video, but I'm not done with this video. So, sorry. A lot of stuff is gonna happen. I fell. I swear, no one had to push me because I can go through people. See. Go through. Hi, MB. Let's see. I'm doing a video, and I will be posting it. It will be on YouTube. Oh, sorry. So probably the next video I'll be planning stuff, a lot of stuff, but not right now. But I make sure you comment down below if you can see my screen. Don't please. Right now I can't type in chat because I'm right now recording. When it's done, I'm gonna keep the chat closed. And if I pass this level, I'll probably go to the pros. Let's just go to pro ones, pro towers. So I hope you guys are enjoying my videos, but if you are not, please make sure, or if you are not, I'm sorry if I'm not coming up with any ideas, but I make sure I'm coming up with some ideas, as with this video that's coming up. So make sure you go subscribe to my channel. Oh, sorry. Well, this girl's talking to me probably, but I don't understand what is she saying. I put something in the chat that says, "Hey guys, doing a video. I'll be posting thing right now." People are trying to make up there, but they can't. every time when I was in here, this goes like it slides you up, but it's not really doing that, so you have to walk. This is the pro towers. Everyone's on the. Some people are on the pro towers, but. Alright, this is the end of the video. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. I'm sorry if it was short, but I had to end the video. But bye. I hope you enjoy. Peace. Wait. Bye. Sorry.